Hay mga kabunso, atong kantahan ang Ginoo. Kanta nato ng Lord tungod sa iyang pagkamayo sa atong kinabuhi o goodness of God. Try natin to. Nara ko sa gawas nagload ra ko diri. Tas bisan og nasigabon, okay ra na. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment I wake up until I leave my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, Lord, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me to the fire, darkness night. You are close like no other. Di ko na alam anong kasunod. And all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I will sing of the goodness of God. I will sing of the goodness of God. Thank you for watching. Bisan og dili nagkamaw ang duyog, pero at least ang Ginoo maayo kay sa ato mga kinabuhi ato siya kanunay nga pasalamatan, ato siya kanunay inong I love you Lord tungod siyang pagkamaayo bisag kita dili maayo niya, pero siya maayo jud kanunay sa tanang panahon. So thank you for watching and God bless everyone.